Hi MMM community and to all the participants. Ako pala si Paul from Dasmariñas, Cavite, an active member of MMM Global Philippines. Last September 5, 2015, nag-provide help ako amounting to 20,000 pesos. And last September 10, 2015, nag-request ako ng assistance amounting to 30,000 pesos. Salamat sa mga participants na nag-provide sa akin ng assistance, namely James, Victor, Irish, Ivy, and Anita. Thank you to these following participants. Thank you also to Mr. Sergio Mabrodi, the MMA founder, and to all the active members, managers of MMM Global Philippines. Together, we change the world.